I have a wooden puzzle here that I want to cut out using a CNC router. I'm using the logic trace system to trace out the pattern so I can save a very accurate DXF file. The first thing to notice is that the pen stylus is not touching the board. It goes through the bottom of the wood so I can make it nice and easy for tracing these patterns. Once I've saved the DXF file, I can load it into any CNC software, including Vectric, VCarve, Mastercam, and any CAD program like AutoCAD, Adobe Illustrator. Just trace the pattern with the pen stylus. I'm going to get a very accurate DXF file for loading into my CNC router machine. Then I can cut it out with wood. I'm going to do this piece here with just points instead of tracing. Works just as well. And I got one more. There it is. It looks great. Let's save the file.